even in Thailand, you get shit on by the seagulls. That's a line given to me by one of my subscribers, Chris. So yeah, Livershite win, the bin dippers. Road trip Dave here. Just watched the first half of the Arsenal game. This is part 2 of the Seagulls tour. Looking for Brighton and Hove Albion to beat the bin dippers. So it's pretty much the same as last week down there. So I thought I'd watch the first half of the Newcastle versus Arsenal game in Legends. Have a little look down here, see if we can find a different bar. Watch the second half and then head back up to Legends Bar to watch the bin dippers, get a good stuff in from who the bin dippers got, the Seagulls. Come on, Seagulls, Seagulls. I was just about to do an impression of a seagull then, but I thought better of it. So where do I go to watch the second half? Just thought I'd go somewhere a bit different. I could stay in the same bar full of blokes, but I'll be back. Learn health massage. That's how you get in the rear entrance of Walking Street. Valhalla over there. Fire by bar. Not bad, buses are coming in pretty well stacked up. You do have the choice, if you want to watch the football, pop into Hemingway's just in there. By this place, one of the View Chalets, Jomtien Beach condominium. So yeah, that's where it is. There's a Viper, 5 DJ, 60 girls, and the fun atmosphere. Fresh fruit. Country road, bar here, always quite a few in here. And here, selling the pies, pasties, sausage rolls. Pull it there, stacked out, no balloons, Geordie cab. There's plenty of football over there. Hello, Geordie cab. Got the Panacea. They do show the football in there, but the balloons are out, so that means they'll be after a little birthday treat. We have the tiger bear here. Craig. Oh, this is where Pattaya turns into Beach Road. Little bar here called Bamboo Bar. We've got the exchanges. So let's have a little look. Got US dollar 33.68, euro 36.5, pounds is 43.5, Australian dollar 21.93. Yeah, well, you can see them for yourself. The rest I'm not sure who or where they're from, so I won't say anything. Here's my little 7-Eleven. Go and check the roadworks by my steps. See what they got left. So, all nice and flat here now. Nothing to do on the road. Pavement. Just this little corner here to finish it. A little gap going down the road. So not an awful lot to finish it. Here are my steps. Why have I got it on 2.1 zoomed in? I don't know. Yeah. So we've got my steps. We've got roadworks nearly finished down here. Just by Jomtien Pattaya Beach sign just here. Lots of people sit around, either drinking, eating, or doing whatever they're doing. So that's just there. Might as well have a walk around here, have a nose. Quite a lot of people there. And then it'll be time to head back up to Pattaya, and we can go and watch the second half of the Arsenal game. So yeah, fingers crossed. Here's all the foods again. Did these all the other day. So yeah, nothing new here. There's the Pattaya Beach side there, Jomtien. Not walk any further, and we'll head back up. People chilling out, bit of music, and having a beer. That's about it round here. Not an awful lot to see. Back down towards my steps. Sorry, cab.
Cab.
But yeah, here's my place on the steps. He's keeping it warm for me. Back down to Pattaya. So that'll be it. Part 2 of the Eagles tour. I don't think the Eagles tour of the Seagull tour. So don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell, and I will be back with some more junk tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm just heading up Pattaya in Jomtien, dead opposite Walking Street, Jomtien complex. Just had a beer in the Firebite bar up there. So I'm now going to go over to Legends Bar, watch the Man City game and the Liverpool game. So come on Brighton, you can be them bin dippers. Thanks for watching. So this is a little finish to my Seagulls tour. Even in Thailand, you get shit on by the Seagulls. That's a line given to me by one of my subscribers, Chris. So yeah. Liverpool win, the bin dippers. Poor old Manchester City lose, not good. Arsenal lose, which is quite good for Man City. So I think that puts Liverpool top of the table. So I'm on my way home after all the footy. Been a very, very, very bad night of football in the Premiership, but you've got to look on the good side of things. We go down to the Championship, Coventry away to Middlesbrough. They win away 3-0. So great result. Great result for Coventry. Not so good in the Premiership. So that will be the end of this video. I think I'm only making 2 videos, so I'll add this bit onto that. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, press the bell, and I'll be back with some more junk tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Good night.